The activity I like the most is the run for the Ilog Pasig. Aside from seeing celebrities, syempre, yun lang yung part of the picture. The biggest part of the picture is knowing the fact that you helped in the cleaning and restoring the Ilog Pasig. Aside from the fact that you helped, you also enjoyed the run with your friends. I remember one of the kuyas, yung field work namin in tree planting. Is a part of the military, tapos 18 years old lang siya. Sabi niya sa amin, kanya-kanyang connection lang yan. So, at age 16, he's already training for the military. So, I also said that we are so lucky that we're studying because he wanted to study also. I think the planting activity is the most effective, while the feeding program is ineffective because after the program, once the program is finished, hindi naman natin masisigurado na healthy foods ulit yung kakainin nila. So, hindi rin naman ma-maintain. So, yun. Definitely the construction part kasi ang hirap pantayin ng semento dun sa wall. We even got to the point na we're using the sponge just to flatten the cement on the wall. Pati tinulungan kami ni Kuya, yung carpentero talaga. Pero it's satisfying kasi natapos namin siya and our group is the first one to finish it. So, well, I learned na hindi tayo dapat maging judgmental because we will never know how hard it is until we're in their own shoes. Pati we should be contented in life kasi ako nakakakain ako every day and I'm studying in a private school, but to think that others are not. So I should appreciate and be thankful in every blessings that comes my way, and no matter how simple or big it is. We had a feeding program, tapos kasama ko dun sa team na nag-cook, and tree planting naman, ako yung nag-cookay, and we had a construction also, na lahat naman kami tumulong dun sa pagpa-plaster ng wall. I think everyone is essential dun sa part kasi the work can be done faster if there's a group of people doing it together. Dun sa construction part, siguro we can do it slowly but surely. Tapos dun sa feeding program, siguro mas nabilisan namin yung pag-prepare ng food. And replanting, sana we had the opportunity na diligan yung mga tinanim namin, and also tignan siya kung tumubo ba siya or not. After NSTP, I learned a lot of things that books cannot teach, but experience can. So thank you NSTP for making me a better person.